Hello guys, it's your boy Alex back at it with a new YouTube video. I'm gonna edit the audio. So I gotta turn my whole body over there. No, I don't need like that.
This is a review on the. You're a reviewer.
I'm a reviewer. Is it too low? Ahí está mejor.
You could tilt it up.
Like that. Oh, they bite it?
That's how they get a feel. It's like that's not sick. Pero pocos así es.
Mm-hmm.
It's a mouth.
Let's see the best. I'm gonna be a bus driver doing reviews. It's crazy. POV videos. Noé Murillo 2.0. Chi-Town style. They gonna zoom me? No way. I'll try it out, yeah. If I don't like it, I'll return after like 2 weeks. That's the good thing about Amazon. You can just return shit. Bro, no way. Dang, you're on the frame, Donnie. It's all good though. No llega hasta acá. For real, right? Damn, my Chi-Town video. Oh shit, look, content. No, there isn't. They use them. And they're doing it over here too. One drunk guy is gonna hit this curve. Probably already hit it. Okay, let me mount it this way though. It's gonna be on the thumbnail. Flagging down or
Catching the outside.
where are we going?